Ever wondered how GitHub works or why it's become a staple tool for developers worldwide? Welcome to the world of collaborative coding. GitHub is a cloud-based platform that allows you to store, share, and collaboratively work on code. It's like a vast online library with each book being a repository of code. These repositories allow you to showcase your work, track changes, facilitate code reviews, and collaborate seamlessly on shared projects. Now that we know what GitHub is, the question is, how does it work? To fully understand GitHub, we first need to dive into its foundation. Git is the magic wand in our coding world. A version control system that diligently keeps track of changes to your files. Imagine you're working on a project with a group of people, all making edits to the same files. Chaos, right? Not with Git. Here's how it works. You create a branch, a separate copy of the main files you're working on. This is your personal playground where you can experiment and make changes without affecting others. Then, when you're ready, Git steps in to carefully merge your edits back into the main copy. This way your changes don't meddle with other people's updates. But wait, there's more. Git also keeps an eye on everyone's changes, ensuring you're all working on the most current version of the project. Now that we understand Git, let's explore how GitHub utilizes this powerful tool. Imagine GitHub as a platform that brings the power of Git to your fingertips. It's like having a supercharged toolkit where Git is the engine and GitHub is the sleek, user-friendly dashboard controlling that engine. When you upload files to GitHub, you're essentially storing them in a Git repository. This means that once you make changes, or commits, to your files, Git automatically starts to track and manage your changes. It's like having a personal librarian who organizes and keeps a record of every single change you make. Git-related actions can be performed directly on GitHub, right in your browser. You can create a repository, create branches, and upload and edit files. It's as simple as clicking a few buttons. However, most developers prefer working on their files locally, on their own computers. They then sync these local changes, along with all the related Git data, with the central, remote repository on GitHub. Tools, like GitHub Desktop, make this process effortless. When you start collaborating with others, you'll be pulling the latest changes made by your collaborators from the remote repository on GitHub and pushing back your own changes to the same repository. It's a constant give and take that Git manages intelligently, while GitHub streamlines the process with features such as pull requests. With Git and GitHub working together, collaborative coding becomes a breeze, but where do you start? Starting your journey with GitHub is as easy as signing up for an account. Once you've done that, you're ready to dive into the world of coding collaboration. But where to begin? The Start Your Journey category is a perfect place. It's packed with articles that will guide you through the essentials, from understanding the GitHub flow to mastering the key principles of collaborative working. It's all about branches, commits, pull requests, and merges. Personalizing your profile is next on the agenda. This is a chance to showcase your interests, your skills, and your personality. Make it uniquely you. Exploring GitHub is a journey in itself. It's a treasure trove of inspiration for your own projects and a platform to connect with others. When you're ready, uploading your work to a GitHub repository is a breeze. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a GitHub pro. Happy coding!